Friends, today I come here with an innovative recipe, that is brinjal with potato or eggplant with potato, aloo baingan, katrika, urulakizhangu, masala. Friends, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel and hit bell icon for my latest new innovative recipes. The ingredients are 3 brinjals or eggplant, a big potato, 3 tomato, small, garlic, ginger and 2 onions and some coriander leaves, some chili balls, some black pepper powder, turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, some popped chickpea. When it bites, the taste will be different. Some oil, some fennel powder, some fenugreek powder. Only put pinch of fenugreek only, not much. Salt according to taste. Slice the brinjal like this. Potato also cut like this, little bit strips. Onion also cut like this, julienne pieces. Ginger and garlic also cut into the julienne size. Heat the pan well, add some water, let it boil well. Add this brinjals. Add a pinch of salt. Cover it up and cook for a while. mix together in between. Yes, it's cooked till soft. Add 2 teaspoonful of oil. I am using olive oil. Why I am cooking like this? Because we don't need to add too much oil in it. You can cook with very less oil. It's cooked well. Removing it from the fat. The same way I am going to cook the potato also. Potatoes cooked half. Again some olive oil. Here 2 teaspoons of olive oil. This new potato and starchy. There's a chance to stick to the bottom of pan. So cook this in a slow fire only. Suitable. Remove the potato also from the fire. The same way the onion also going to cook. Add some more salt. Don't put much salt, already we have added the brinjal and potato also. Cook this garlic, ginger and onion together. It's not oil, it's only water. And this chilli also. Now add the spices, chili powder, coriander powder and black pepper, turmeric powder. Now 1 to 3 spoon oil more. It's a teaspoon, not big spoons. This is the size of the spoon which I am adding oil. Now add tomato here. a pinch of fenugreek seed powder, not much. Now add the brinjal and potato in it. Mix all together. Mix well. Check the salt level. It's need a little bit of salt, so I add a pinch of salt in it. Now the popped chickpeas. Why I add chilies like this? It's not much spicy. If you want more spicy, you can bite the chili or you can remove it from the vegetables. It's almost ready. Cook for 2-3 minutes in a cover. Now the final stage, fennel seed powder. Mix together. Yes, it's ready. Garnish with coriander leaf. I think you enjoyed this recipe. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for the latest next innovative videos. Thank you for now.